Fort Mill, downtown, South Carolina pressure washing. If you are trying to find reliable pressure washing in Fort Mill, downtown, South Carolina, this video breaks down everything you need to know about picking the best company, understanding the process, and maximizing results for your property. Our team is happy to help with cleaning your driveway, sidewalk, and patio in Fort Mill, downtown, South Carolina. We can make them look like new again. We know that power washing is not just about removing dirt and grime. It's also about protecting your property from the elements. So we use only eco-friendly solutions whenever possible. With our pressure washing service, you don't have to worry about damaging your home's exterior features or gutters, as we take extra care to keep everything clean without causing any harm. We take pride in being a local business, serving Fort Mill, downtown, South Carolina, and surrounding areas with a commitment to excellence in every aspect of our pressure washing services. Our equipment is regularly maintained to ensure optimal performance and longevity, ensuring you receive the best results from your power washing experience every time we do all the best work. I'm proud of our team for consistently delivering high-quality work in Fort Mill, downtown, South Carolina, where everyone deserves a clean and beautiful community space to enjoy. Our experience working with local business owners and property managers has given us valuable insight into the unique challenges of maintaining historic buildings and sidewalks in a bustling downtown area. The pressure washing service we offer is designed specifically for use on a variety of surfaces found in Fort Mill, downtown, South Carolina, including brick, concrete, and stone, ensuring safe and effective cleaning. In addition to our surface-specific expertise, our team also knows how to navigate tight spaces and maneuver around obstacles that other companies might struggle with, thanks to their extensive training and experience. We've worked hard to build a reputation for reliability and professionalism in Fort Mill, downtown, SC, where our customers rely on us to deliver fast, reliable service whenever they need it. Our team takes pride in getting the job done right every time, so you can focus on running your business without worrying about the details. We understand the importance of safety when it comes to pressure washing, especially around sensitive areas like historic buildings and residential properties. The specific equipment we use is designed to tackle even the toughest grime and stains, giving you a like-new look for your storefront or property in no time. In Fort Mill, downtown, South Carolina, our team knows the value of preserving the character that makes our community unique, so we're always mindful of our impact on the local environment. By working closely with local business owners and residents, we gain a deep understanding of what matters most to them, which means we can deliver exactly what you need for your property. We use environmentally friendly solutions to clean your property, ensuring a safe and healthy environment for you, your family, and the local wildlife in Fort Mill, downtown, South Carolina. Our team has extensive experience with high-pressure washing equipment, allowing us to effectively remove dirt, grime, and mildew from surfaces like sidewalks, driveways, and building exteriors. We carefully clean around delicate areas such as plants, shrubs, and historic buildings, taking the time to ensure every detail is attended to, preserving the integrity of your property and its surroundings. By using a combination of low-pressure cleaning for sensitive surfaces and high-pressure washing for heavy-duty jobs, we can tackle any cleaning challenge in Fort Mill, downtown, South Carolina. Professional pressure washing can save you time and effort by cleaning your home or business's exterior, removing dirt, grime, and damage caused by weather conditions. If you are looking for pressure washing in Fort Mill, downtown, South Carolina, woodiesnc.com can provide free estimates and scheduling to get your property cleaned and maintained today. Click the link below to learn more